All these days of ice and snow, and we right back to the 70s. So we headed to the store for some live coupon action. Y'all see that book? This is my good old binder with my coupon. This is a regular 3-ring binder I got off clearance in Walmart 1 year, and I have them divided with tab divided and baseball card sleeves. I'm going to try to do something for Money Monday every Monday. That'll be another video, like how to set up your binder and whatnot. So let's head on to the Tita. So first order of business, Tide, which is $4.88, $2 off. That's going to double to $4, making it 88 cents a bottle. Look, $2 off for all /snuggle products. I can get the $2 a double, pay 29 cents, or I can get them completely free. So I'm going to get 4 of these. So in my cart so far, my total is only 53 cents. But look at this, $1.50 off of Pine Sol, $3.99, making these 99 cents. And we got another one, y'all. Look at the Clorox cleanup. $3.99, $1.50, double to $3, 99 cents a bottle. The vlog today. Look who back off a coupon break. Okay, we just had something very interesting happen. I want to tell y'all this about Harris Teeter. So if you in Harris Teeter doing the Super Double promotion, only 20 coupons qualify for Super Double. Meaning you always do 20 of your highest dollar first. So I want to rock with 20 of my $2, $1.50, $1.25, $1.75, anything above $1. You always give the cashier those first. Okay, see, like this Lysol is 3 for $5, but you have a 75-cent off of one coupon. This coupon will double in this store all day, every day anyway. So this is not saying you can't do this in your Super Double haul. I would just put these to the back of the pack. So say let this be coupon number 20 of so on and so forth. So 3 divided by 5, using 3.75 cents off coupon, you're going to pay 58 cents for 3. Can't beat that. I know I had a baby vegan, right? I don't got no coupons for these, so another $6 added to my total because I really need that. But I bet you I ain't going to still pay for it. So far, my total is at $10 and some change, and that is already too much for me. Yes, that's too much, okay? I just tell y'all we supposed to be getting all freebies, but I just had the jackpot. Look at this, y'all. All right, $4.49, $2, double to $4. So you gotta play devil advocate, make it make sense. Get the $2 doubling to $4, making this free, or pay 49 cents for the big one. I think I'll take a few of these. Okay, so everything I got in here is $21 and some change, and I just like free stuff. So let me tell y'all what's going on right now. Look at Janine with the waffles. Waffles are 2 for $4. That means they're $2 a box. This $1 will double to $2, making them free, but only certain flavors. Let me tell you what happened. She telling me about her night out at night. I'm like, go ahead and film your vlog. I was like, you can talk to me. I don't want people to know my life. Girl, beat it. Meanwhile, vegan alert, $2.99. Free rice is $2.19. I'm gonna get 10 of these and the brown rice. That's a free slay. This is headed to the register, y'all. This is probably about $5 and some change, and my second transaction is free. So $104.75 before my eBay phone number, and definitely before coupons. Kind of hoping for a miracle, but with eBay phone number, this is all we got. So all right, Ryan, we gotta bust this down now. $1.01. Y'all see that? $4 and a whole penny. I would pay with change without my purse, but I like this cashier, so I ain't gonna do that to him. Transaction 2, y'all. This shouldn't be much, but this transaction 2. Tell you what happened. My 2 Mueller's pasta on my first transaction didn't scan, and we set them to the side and forgot about it. So $2.04. So that should have been a free purchase. But I'm such a good customer. I ain't gonna act up over $4. But yeah, that should have been free though. Transaction 38 cents. The $4 mishap, we just gonna act like that ain't happen, you know, but I'm gonna take this and that's gonna be it. So that $4.01 on that first transaction, y'all know I over here getting my $4 and make my purchase 1 cent. And she laughing at me. $4.01. Patty Betty went back for her $4. Grand total of mother freaking pennies. So here goes transaction 1, my Florida Naturals, the almond milk, fabric softener, Clorox Tide, pasta, and that. It doesn't seem like all this stuff was $100 and something, but it was. My $4 refund. There you go, because I wanted my damn money. and it came to $4.01. And like I said, I went back and got my $4. So all of this came to a penny. So I had 20 coupons that doubled, doubling to $98.74. So, you know, it pays the coupon. Transaction 2 was 36 cents, and it was just these few items right here. All these was free. I just paid taxes, and this is the receipt for that. And thank y'all for rocking with Diva Vlogs. Oh, that's from the other day. I ain't put that shit up yet, but yeah, I'm tired, y'all. So being home alone means I gotta put up all this stuff by myself, but that is okay because the neighbors will enjoy some. I'm gonna leave some stuff out for my sister. And good night, and thank y'all for rocking, and I hope y'all learned something. Remember, Instagram DM is better to ask me questions, and follow me on Instagram at sneikothediva. I'll leave it below.